Hey guys, so today we're going to be talking about how to set your scale in Morpholio Trace. Now, when you first get to Morpholio Trace, you're going to get a couple of examples here. But in order to add a project, you're going to tap this add icon up here at the top right corner. And that's going to give you different varieties to choose from. Blank is just going to be a blank canvas. Custom, you're going to be able to select your paper size. Photo is going to be where you get your screenshots of your satellite images or whatever it is you have of the house that you're working on. So I use that one pretty frequently. PDF is where you pull in your surveys or any documents that you might have. And map is going to be something entirely different that we'll discuss in another video. But what's cool about it is once you use the map, everything's already set to scale for you. So when you want to pull up the satellite image that you have or the survey that you have in a photo gallery, you're going to hit this photo and you're going to be able to select your desired project there. Now, when it opens up, it's pretty much going to look like this. So you can zoom out just by pinching with 2 fingers. And whenever you're looking at it here, you're going to see kind of a haze over your layer. It always has a paper layer that's set on it. And so there's a little icon right here. You're just going to click on that and it's going to completely take that off. So now you can see more clear. So at this top left corner right here, you're going to see the 5th icon here with the arrow and 2 lines. And when you click on that, that's going to give you 2 crosshairs. And this is how you're going to set your scale. So before you set your scale, it would be great to have a known dimension. That's how you're going to tell the program how big something is. So once you open this up, you're going to have 2 crosshairs and you can move it to your known dimension. And in this example, I'm going to be using this dimension right here. Now, as you see right here, it says 124 feet. So that's what I'm going to go based off of. And right here, sometimes also you got to be careful because sometimes it's set to metric, and that's meters. So just change it to imperial. And if you have inches, you can do that as well. Now, once you got everything set, all you got to do is click the check mark. And as you see, it says scale registered. So once it's registered, you're pretty much good to go and you can start designing. And so that's how you set your scale in Morpholio Trace.